Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Nicola. Hey, wagwan. What's good? If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're a returning member, you're a family member, you're my loved one because you have subscribed to my channel. Wagwan. What's good? What's been happening in your lovely lives? So this time around, today, I remembered to do an intro, even though this is after the fact, right? So today I am doing my niece's hair. I'm attempting to style my niece's hair again, and each time it's attempting and trying to do her hair because I'm trying not to show her face, and not showing her face and just showing her head is a task, because then you don't get to see like the real angles of the hairstyle, you know, and all that. So sometimes it looks odd or whatever, and maybe the angle doesn't do the hairstyle justice. So yeah, I'm doing her hair again, and it's a cute little style. It's a Pinterest inspo. I'll be sure to leave the picture right here. Yeah, that's what I'm attempting, and please let me know how I did down below in the comments. Rate her hair, and don't rate her too hard. She's just a child, and it's her auntie's fault, not hers. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, again, welcome. Please subscribe, hit that post notification bell so that you are called back to my channel whenever I post. Cool? Love you. Okay? Stay tuned. Cool. And if you think I did well or intermediate, let me know too. Comment down below. Please like this video. Give it a thumbs up, okay? And I'll see you in my next one of these two right here. Walk good, live, love, laugh, and spread good vibes. Peace. Mwah.